Welcome to another FormTitan video, and in this video we'll talk about how to use a recreate table functionality after modification. And I'll show you the before and I'll show you the after, see how all of that works. Right now I'm going to go ahead and insert the table. Let's go and log in first. Alright, once you're logged in, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create a table. We'll choose from account. We'll say, actually, let's go from contact. And what we'll do is we'll get their full name, we'll get their email, and we'll get their account name if they're associated to one. So full name, email, and account ID, and then we'll format this field, set the reference to it to show account name. Okay, once I've done that, I'll go ahead and insert the table. Here's my table. Let's go ahead and refresh. Here's my refresh, and then we'll go ahead and just modify this. This is the contact, and we'll say contact is not empty. Save, and say we'll bring back the first 100. Okay, if I go ahead and save the condition and preview the table now, this has brought back all my contacts with their accounts. So very simple, nice and easy. Now that's all good, but why are we going to use a recreate table functionality? Here's why. If I click on this table again and then go to insert/edit table, and if I check disable header rows, what this should do now is disable these header rows, which consist of full name, email, and account name. And if I click save, you can see nothing's actually happened. It's still there. So what you need to do in order for this to work is you need to click on insert edit table, and then once this is checked and you check it like this, you need to click on recreate table. This will recreate the modification of the table again, and now you can see that the headers are now fully disabled. So if I preview now, there you go. You can see that the headers are now gone. There is no full name, email, or account name for any of these tables. And that's why it's important to use the recreate table functionality when you make modification to a table, because it will recreate with the new configuration for you. And this is how it's done.